I'm videoing now. Don't know why it's light. Look as if they're statues, you know?
Move slowly, they might move. Get some action in the video. Horns, yeah. Have you seen the male right at the back there, the horns?
No.
Look through the gap over there to the right.
I see a water bug. Mum.
It's definitely on this tap.
Get me one of the other ones and I'll
What's it like to be in the elephant?
No, the ones you tipped out.
I got them out. Hey, wanna chippy? You want some?
The elephant's there.
I said, hey, wanna chippy? Look how many.
Don't you want to see the elephants, Annika?
I saw them.
Oh goodness, I want to see. Could look at these all day. See his big trunk?
This one takes.
Oh, beautiful. The light. Just the colours with the sun's low like this. It makes it beautiful.
Now John, don't start. Don't. I'm going to stop this. Just, Annika, don't.